and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be testing out the Revolution Forever Flawless Hydra Turtle palette. So it looks like this, very cute packaging, very nice. And then the colour story is like this, so really nice blues, greens, typical sea vibes really, which is what you'd expect from a name from Hydra Turtle. So yeah, I'll give these a little swatch for you. Okay, so here's the first half. So we've got Pearl, which is very kind of like a sheer, almost highlighter shade, so that might not show up. Coral Reef, Shell, Starfish, Laguna, Ocean, Shore, Isle and Tropic. And then in the second half we have Odyssey, Tide Pool, Cloud, that's really nice, Sea, Azule, Hue, Shoaler, Wave and Hydra. Yeah, they actually swatch quite nice, which I have found in the past in the Forever Flawless palettes, that they do tend to swatch up quite nice, and I have actually quite enjoyed these palettes in the past. So in the palette we've got 11 shimmers and 7 mattes, so that's not a bad ratio, I'd say. Yeah, really nice, and the colours are stunning and they seem to go together really nice as well. So yeah, let's whack it on. So I'm going to start off, I'm trying to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to start off in this section here with Coral Reef, so that one there.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
And then next to that, kind of on the middle bit, I'm going in with Azule, or shall I do Wave? Yeah, Azule here.
Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
Okay, so kind of like that. And then I'm going to finish off the outer part with Tide Pool. So it's that purple shade there.
You taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
Kind of like that. Right, so now I need to blend.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Okay, I've just blended these two colours here on the end with a clean fluffy brush, and it has kind of, I've lost a lot of the colour, so I'm just going to go back in and build that up, and then we'll do the inner part. All right, so that's better, so more like that. And then on this inner part here, I'm going to blend that out, but I'm going to use a colour to blend it. I'm going to use Tropic, I think. So yeah, that's kind of what I was going for. So then on this outer part here where I've got this purple, I'm just going to bring that in a little bit more onto the outer part of my lid.
You're undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting.
Cool. Right, so I'm going to go away now and I'm going to cut the crease, but I'm going to kind of do it from here and bring it out. Not done this before, so this is all very new. I'm just experimenting here, but yeah, I'm going to go away and do that. Right, so kind of like that. It has kind of gone how I wanted it to, so yeah. And then on this inner part here, kind of on the inner middle bit, I'd say, I do want to do like a green ideally. So what I think I'm going to do is mix Tropic with Shore so that I get like a green shimmer. Well, hopefully, fingers crossed.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby.
That's actually worked really well. I was kind of going for that minty shimmery green, and it has done exactly that. So yeah. Next to that, connecting to the purple. I think I'm actually going to go in with that Azul again. So it should connect to where I've done it in the crease as well.
I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
Okay, it's kind of gone how I wanted it. I don't know why I choose to experiment on camera like this, but yeah, at least you can see properly where I mess up. But yeah, underneath, I'm going to kind of match the colours that I did in the crease, I think, so I'm going to connect the purple here and then go in with the blue and then the kind of teal shade on the inner part here.
Your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his
And then where I've left this little gap here, I'm going to take, should I take Pearl or Shore again? No, I'm going to go for Pearl. So I'm going to take this one here and I'm going to bring that in here and try and go down there a little bit as well.
black and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble.
Right, okay. So yeah, I think I've done what I wanted. I think. Yeah. Right, okay, so I'm going to go away and do the other eye, pop some lashes on and some lippy, and I will be back. And here is the finished look. Yeah, I like it. I definitely pushed myself, probably to the max if I'm honest. And I'm glad I did because, yeah, it is different for me, but I do like it. And I definitely tested those colours out, that's for sure. The shimmer's so nice. The mattes, they took a little bit of building up. However, when I did build them up, they were a really nice colour and they were pigmented, but it was just, there was pigment, but then when you blended it, it kind of disappeared, which was a little bit weird. But as I say, when you build it up, you have to kind of build it up, blend, build it up, blend, and then you kind of get the colour that you're after. So here's a look at the eyes close up. Yeah, I do like it, I really do. I wanted to try this kind of cut crease that goes a little bit further into the nose because I've seen it on quite a few Instagram pictures and that, and I thought it looked quite nice. But yeah, first attempt, I didn't think I did too bad. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!